Good morning, you guys. What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Today, another vlog for the Lexus IS500. Again, the legendary Edwin Barrios will be coming over to my house to install the wheel spacers for the IS500. But the biggest problem that I have are basically the wheel offsets. I know, buy wheels for it. I just can't find the proper wheels that I like, that I personally like. I love the design of the stock wheels. I think that these are the perfect wheels for this car. I just need a better offset. There are some wheels out there made by Rohana, currently out of my budget, but soon. But right now, these wheels are like the perfect wheel. And look at how beautiful the springs make the car sit. Just absolutely beautiful. Now the only thing is I want to make it flush to the fender. There's still a little bit of a gap, not a gap, but you can see there, you know, the wheel is still kind of set in. I just want it to be just a little bit out to where it's flushed with the fender to give it that slightly more aggressive super sedan look. So that's what Edwin's gonna come over for. Again, he is the wheel and tire Superman when it comes to stuff like this. He does suspension, wheel, and tires. So I only trust the experts. So Edwin's coming over. I'm going to unbox the wheel spacers. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. All right, well, here's the box. I kind of untaped it already just so I don't have to keep cutting it. Look at that. Comes with, yeah, here we go. That's the company, Bonoss. And what we're going to do is we will unbox these things. Oh, it comes in individual boxes. So I ordered a 20 millimeter and a 15 millimeter spacer system. Nice. Forged active cooling wheel spacers. All right. So it has cooling technology built within the spacers. Okay. Very cool. Whoa, dude, these are super light. They are, I guess they're forged aluminum, but they are super light. I had wheel spacers on my Evo, and these things literally weigh nothing. Maybe a pound, if that. It's got these grooves on the side. Very well built. What? Man. All right. There's two of them. I don't know exactly if this is the 20 or the 15 millimeter. I guess we'll find out. Now for the bolts. And the bolts are beautiful. Holy smokes, they are gorgeous. What? In case you guys didn't know, the IS500 does not come with lug nuts. It comes with lug bolts that goes into the hub. But wow, okay, these are longer studs. So it's 5 per. Again, it's 5 by 114. So that's right there and then right there. All right, and obviously I have another box right here. So wow. All right, you guys. I did not film the install because I figured you guys know how wheel spacers go anyway, but when it comes to the wheel spacer that Bonoss makes, that forged aluminum wheel spacer with the longer studs, because as I showed you earlier, the wheel studs on this are not bolts. They're not nuts. They're actually like bolts that go in, and they're way longer to accommodate the spacer interval between the wheel hub and the wheel itself. But my goodness, you guys, it looks so freaking good. But I'm telling you, Bonoss makes an incredible product. Light, I just test drove it. It's absolutely amazing. But you guys ready for this? Oh my God. Boom, there it is. Oh my God, see, look at that. That is perfect. Lines up right against the fender. My goodness, that looks so good. Now, this is already lowered with Swift springs. If you guys haven't seen that video, please refer to the video a couple of videos down. But look at that, you guys. That looks really, really good. And the spacers are perfect. They're hub-centric wheel spacers with the cooling ducts that are in there right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's cooling ducts in it. Hopefully it actually helps also mitigate some of that brake dust. But my goodness, not that you get a lot with the IS500, but still, wow, look at that. Look at how good that looks. My goodness, guys. And the side profile is nuts. That is nuts. Yeah, Edwin did it again. He did it again. Not that Edwin didn't want to be on video today, but I just didn't think that I needed to take his time. He had some engagements right after mine. He drove all the way to my house, about an hour, to install my wheel spacers and torqued it correctly, make sure that we were doing the right thing. But my goodness, you guys, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Anyway, Bonoss, much kudos to you guys. Thank you so much. Great communication with the Bonoss crew in Shenzhen, China, and they were able to really send me what I needed. This is a 20mm and a 15mm wheel spacer. So the 20 is in the back, the 15 is in the front, which gives it that perfect lineup between the face of the wheel and the fender. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm just another YouTuber, a small YouTuber, trying to get along with YouTube's algorithm. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Peace out. Love you guys.